One day in a hardware team workspace in Altium Develop, there is a hidden cost in most hardware teams, and it happens before any real engineering starts for the day. If you begin every morning by checking email, chat, shared folders, and meeting notes just to understand project status, you are already losing time. In this video, I'm going to show you what a better start looks like inside Altium Develop. And instead of rebuilding the story of the project from fragments, you open one workspace and immediately see what changed, what needs attention, and where the team is blocked. This is not just a convenience feature, it changes the rhythm of the entire team because the morning becomes a decision making moment instead of a detective exercise. For many hardware leads, the day begins with reconstruction. You open email and find partial updates from different people. Someone has sent a screenshot of a schematic. Someone else says a layout review is finished, but the comments are in chat. A manager wants to know whether the team is still on schedule, but the project tracker has not been updated to match the real design work. Then there are shared drives full of folders named things like Final V2, Final Review, and Approved Latest, which usually means nobody is completely sure what the latest approved status actually is. The real issue is not just wasted minutes. The deeper issue is that fragmented context leads to fragmented decisions. Engineers answer questions based on whichever update they saw most recently, not on a shared current view of the product. That creates delays, duplicate conversations, and sometimes incorrect assumptions that travel through the whole project. Inside Altium Develop, the workspace becomes the place where the day starts with clarity. You can open a project and immediately see active threads, task movement, recent design activity, and the key items waiting for review. And instead of asking around to find out whether a layout change was reviewed, you can see the decision tied to that object. And instead of hunting for a PDF export of the latest schematic, you can move directly into live design context. This matters because it shortens the distance between a question and the answer. If a supplier issue came up yesterday, you can see that in the same environment where the engineers are already discussing the board. If a review comment is still unresolved, it remains visible rather than disappearing into someone's inbox. The workspace also helps you prioritize. Not every update deserves your attention, but the right view lets you identify what is critical right now, what can wait, and which decision need a lead to step in. Over time, that creates a healthier operating rhythm for the team because everyone is reacting to the same real picture instead of separate snapshots. The effect spreads beyond the person leading the project. Designers get feedback faster because the lead is not buried in disconnected tools. Managers gain confidence because status conversations are grounded in live project signals rather than presentations built the night before. Procurement and manufacturing partners benefit too because their input can live inside the same context as the design discussions instead of arriving later as disconnected reports. Perhaps the biggest change is cultural when the team sees that the workspace is where decisions happen and where project truth lives. They naturally rely less on side conversations and hidden notes that makes the whole organization more transparent and more resilient when schedules get tight. If your mornings still feel like recovery work from yesterday's communication chaos, try changing the starting point. Take one active project, open it in Altium Develop, and use that workspace as the first screen the team checks each day. Build a simple habit around reviewing active threads, open tasks, and recent changes there before opening email. That small shift can save time immediately, but more importantly, it can help your team operate from one shared understanding of the product.